In 2 weeks, it's going to be a year since my hair was sadly fried off, and I wanted to try something new today. This is my hair. This is what it looks like now. Where you see the lighter hair, that's where the bleach was at. The dark part of my hair is all my natural hair. I haven't touched it since. I will post a picture on here of where my hair was at when it got fried off. It was super short, and this is where it's at now. I do have some extensions as well. Hopefully they match so I could blend them in. That way I have more volume since I am missing, a lot of hair. But let's get started.
Pretty woman walking down the street.